Other day, a machinery manufacturer was telling me, I am increasing my revenue, my market share is steady, I'm able to control my cost, I'm able to control my discounts. Despite my revenue increasing, my profit is stagnant. मैं क्या करूं? Hi business owners, this is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series क्या करूं, specially recorded for you. I am so glad that you are doing great on product cost, price realization as well as revenue. These are very healthy signs. If your price realization is good, it clearly means that you have a well differentiated product and your sales team is very well trained to sell on the strengths of your niche. You must not let up on this effort and not only keep continuous watch on this, but keep improving yourself by strengthening on your advantage over competition as well as upgrading your skills. Similarly, I am glad you track your material cost, you benchmark the cost with competition, and you are positioned well. This also is a continuous effort, and you must keep at it. I am sure you keep track of your costs product-wise. If not, please start immediately. You must know which category of your products is how profitable. It's important to take a close look at product-wise profit and also the product mix that you are selling. I'm also sure you have studied the segmentation of your market by all different means, customer type or size of establishment, demography, geography, all the segments that are relevant to your business. So if you have not done the study of market segmentation, please make sure you do that also. The question that gets less attention, and I think it deserves a lot more attention, I want to discuss that today. Is your customer mix correct? Now, what is the right way to study the customer mix? What is the right way to know if it is correct or not correct? As I said, you must have segmented the market, but when you segment the customers, some criteria of segmentation may become different. Start by volume of business. Customers who give you large volume, medium or small volume. Now calculate the profitability for each of this segment. Do a similar exercise based on the size of the customer, not by volume of business he gives you, but size of the establishment. Try to cross-tabulate the data. You may discover that very large establishments perhaps negotiate a lot and your profitability is not very good. Or you may discover chunk of your profits are coming from medium size of establishments. And actually it is at medium or small size establishments that you are able to control discounts. Study the data carefully. As I said, cross-tabulate it, and you will clearly see which box is most profitable for you. Please focus all your customer retention activity towards the more profitable box. Take another step now. Identify customers and markets by future potential. Again, I suggest a simple 3-point scale. Large potential, medium potential and small potential. Now, when you superimpose this data on the previous cross-tabulation, you will get an extremely clear picture on where to focus your market development activities. Now, if relevant for your product and business, you may do the similar exercise for geographical segments, demographical segments, all segments that you think are relevant to your market. Now, this is an exercise which will also tell you which segments you need not focus on. Business owners, you will get startling information on customers who are not good for your business. Make a note of that. The second thing to study is the cultural fit between your customer's organization and your organization. If you are a quality focused organization, it is likely that a quality focused customer will be more profitable for you. Similarly, if you are more focused on mass production, a customer who often demands customization will have hidden costs. Even things like how the customer behaves with your team. What is his payment culture? Does he keep his commitments? The thing is that such nuances do not show up in costs. Actually, even if they may show up in costs, they certainly do not show up in how it affects the morale and the productivity of your employees. So do take a check on the cultural fit between you and your customers. Last point. The other day, a business owner I coach was very excited. He was getting an order from a large customer. And this customer otherwise does not buy from him. So naturally he was excited. The condition that new customer had put that he wanted a super fast delivery, and this item was in short supply in the industry. So my client, the business owner, would have to delay the delivery against some other customer commitment to deliver to this new prospect. The question I asked, how likely it is that this customer will buy from you again? Why has he not been buying from you previously? And why has he come to you now with an urgent delivery? You have to reflect on such opportunities very carefully. After the discussion, my suggestion to the business owner was that from this prospect, you must ask for a long-term commitment, not just for this order that he wants to give and he wants delivery within a few days. Take commitment for next 3 or 4 months for a scheduled delivery. The thing is, you got to be wary of opportunistic customers. Do not serve them at the cost of loyal customers. Now, even though this may look like additional business, it may look like you are breaking new ground, but at the cost of loyal customers, it's not going to pay you in the long run. Business owners, to summarize, if your growth in profit is not commensurating with the growth in revenue, despite your costs, price realization, everything being steady, take a closer look at your customer profile. Surely you segment the market, but do segment the customers. Identify the most profitable and high potential customer segments. Follow the simple steps I explained in this video earlier. Do identify customers who are a complete fit or a complete misfit in terms of organization culture. This may sound trivial, but the hidden cost can be very large. And lastly, keep an eye on customers who are being just opportunistic. It's tough to do, but you must take the hard call of defocusing on less useful customers. You will free up a surprising quantity of resources. Use these resources to increase your focus on the right kind of customers. You do this, and I assure you, your profit growth will surpass the revenue growth. Hope this Kya Karu video helps you to reach new heights in your profitability. Thank you so much.